I'm going to go over the one service call I hate most to help you prevent me from getting this kind of call. It's keeping your condensate drains clear. I put the T's on my drain to make it easy for service. They're both pretty clear. So what I like to do is I take a zip tie, a big pan to it, same ones all the flexible ducts are connected to it, and I like to just stick it through the drain. I'm gonna knock whatever gunk's in the way out. And I put soapy water in my bottle. So the next thing, the screws with one hand. And last one. Doors out of my way. I always like to examine for oil the pan. You can see any. And just flush the pan. Let's pour and make sure we're draining. Both drains are flowing nicely. You could always, if you want, run this into the drain into the unit. That'll help break up any gunk in your way there. All the water is going down the drain. That's where water likes to go. But now what I like to do is take this bottle, and that forces water through that drain, whatever's left, into the pan. Gurgling is air trying to get back in from the other side. And there you have it. If you do that every year, your drains should not plug up. If you don't, well, you may shut off on the switch, or you may find out if this is really waterproof, this backup pan, or if it overflows, drips through your ceiling, and your ceiling falls. Whatever you want to do, but what I have to say is I hate service calls for plug drains. I don't want to suck the water out of here. I leave it and let it evaporate. These attics are hot enough. But you don't want your water coming through your ceiling. Keep your drains clear. Alright, once you're done cleaning, make sure you put these caps on. If you don't have these, set these T's up with the trap. It's a perfect clean out. Well, till next time, I'm out. Keep your drains clean.